Good day everyone, it's me Christian. Today we will be learning how to use the digital interactive whiteboard using Canva into our personal computers. First thing you need to do is go to your Google Chrome and search for Canva. Then click the given site. In entering into your Canva, you can already see the whiteboard and click the whiteboard. Upon clicking, you can already see the given image wherein you can put models, images, or documents there. Since I would like to create an activity to my students involving the trigonometry, I just wanted to put a model of a right triangle there. Then I will put the given scenarios, what will be the things that students will be gonna do. Okay, I just put them to identify what are the parts of the right triangle. And I just put question marks into the models of a right triangle and inserting some arrows and notes where they can put their personal answers. After putting there, I just gonna click the share and edit the privacy into public, then copy link. The reason why I click for the public, for that the students can access the given websites I provided to them and they can put any answers that illustrated to the given topic. And that's how you create your personal interactive whiteboard using Canva. And I hope that everybody learned something new on this video. Once again, I am Christian. Thank you for watching.